Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain selection sort, how it will work, and with the coding in Java, I will explain the coding, how it will work, and how to write code in Java for this selection sort. First, let's see the how it will work selection sort. So selection sort is nothing but first it will select the one minimum value and it will swap with that with a particular position. Then it will compare with all the elements. Then it will give the one sorted array. Okay, that is the main concept of selection sort. Mainly the selection sort is it will compare with the minimum value. First it will find the minimum value and it will replace with some higher value, and it will identify the best position for this minimum value, and it will replace that, and it will to swap those values and return the one sorted array in the final way. Okay, that is the main concept. Let's see the how it will work. Then you can easily understand what is the selection sort here. Yeah, here we have one array in Java. We can define like this array. Yeah, we have one array 93014 8. First, after this sorting, after this selection sorting, we will get like this 0, 1, 3, 4, 8, and 9. This one we have to get in the final way. Okay, what will happen? Let's see the first of all. Let's see the algorithm for this. Algorithm for this. First, what you have to do? We are taking the one array, and after that, we have to iterate. For this, here I am using the one for loop here from 0 to y is equals to 0 to n. Here, what we have to do? Create a one variable like minimum value. This is minimum index. So in this first value, I'm assuming as a minimum value. Okay, first index, whatever we have I is equals to 0, that is the minimum value. That index contains a minimum value. So after that, what you have to do? Another for loop. This is for comparing remaining values. Is there any minimum value is there or not? So for that we are using this for loop here. So here j is equals to I plus 1. I plus 1 to n. Okay. Here one we have to write one base condition here. So if array of j is less than array of this minimum index. Okay. If this condition is true, then what it will happen? Give a minute. Yeah, fine. Yeah. So this array of j is the minimum value. So array of j is the minimum value. So then what is the index right now? So minimum index is equals to j. It will become j. After this if condition and after this for loop, we are getting one minimum value. Then after this, inner for loop, what we have to do? We are getting the one minimum index. Okay, with this index, we have to replace with I element. Okay, we have to replace with I index. So for that, create a one temporary variable. Already we know swapping we can do with help of the one third variable. So here I'm using that algorithm here. Array of I in temp I'm storing this array of I value. In array of I value, sorry, array of I index, I'm storing the array of minimum index value, minimum index value. In this array of minimum index place, I'm storing this array of first this temp value. Okay. After this, close this for loop, and yeah, in this way, if you do like this, then we will get this resultant array. So what it will happen? Already we have this one. Let's see the I is this one. Uh, Here it's initialize 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So first for loop, I is equals to 0. So I is equals to 0 means array of I is equals to 9. Okay. Then j value is j index is I plus 1, 0 plus 1. So 1. Array of j is equals to is what? 3. So now it will compare this 993. Sorry. Yeah. Array of j is 3 less than 9. So this condition is true. So then minimum index is j. J means 1. Okay. Now after this condition is true. Okay. Next it will increase the j value. Then it will compare the next. It will find the next minimum index minimum value. So for that we have to find the one minimum index. So then what it will happen? Then it will increase j is equals to here, and j will increase here. J will increase here. J is equals to 2. Now j is 2, and minimum index is 1. Now array of j is j value is what? 0 and less than array of minimum index value. Minimum index value is 3. So this is true. Now the minimum index is what is this minimum index? Minimum index become okay. Minimum index become 2. Now it will continue the process, and it will compare with yeah, it will compare with the next value. So if now j is 3, and array of j value is yeah, here j value is here, and j is equals to 1. Sorry, array of j is 1 less than minimum value. Array of minimum index is 0. So this condition is false. Then again it will increase the j value. It will compare with this. J is equals to 4, and 4 is less than 0. This condition is false. Then it will increase the j value, and it will compare with j is equals to 5. Now j is equals to 5, and it will compare with the 8 is less than 0. So this is also condition false. So after this for loop, it will so it will come here. Then it will come. It will replace with array of I and array of with this minimum index. So the minimum index is 2. Minimum index is 2. Now the array become 0, 3, 9, 1, 4, 8. So same this algorithm will happen. Then we will get this resultant array. So now let's see. Now guys, you understood the concept how it will algorithm will work. So let's see the coding solution in Java. Yeah, here I'm taking same that values 93018 93018. Sorry, one value I missed here. 930148048. 14848. Yeah, here first for loop int I is equals to 0, I is less than array dot length and I plus plus. After this, here you have to define a one minimum index variable here. In this, have to initialize this first index as a minimum index, and after this, have to write the one more for loop for this. For this comparison purpose, we have to write the one more for loop here. Then I plus one, j is less than array of length j plus plus. If this is a base condition here, that I'm writing right now, array of j is less than array of minimum index, then minimum index become j. Okay. After this loop, create one temporary variable. In this, store one first store array of I value, and array of I value replace with array of minimum index value. Minimum index value. And after this, array of minimum index value replace with this temp value. Finally, if we print this array system dot out dot println, instead of using the for loop for this printing the array, I am using the building class arrays dot toString array. Okay, this arrays is this is from util package. You have to import that java dot util dot arrays. Yeah, let's execute it and see if we execute this code, then we will get 0, 1, 3, 4, 8, 9. This is the resultant array. Yeah, guys, I hope you understood the concept of selection sort. If you have any queries or any doubt, please comment it below. Then definitely I will create one more video on this if you get any doubt on this. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching this video.